Welcome to another edition of Crypto Buzz by Kalkine Media. My name's Sage. Bitcoin seems to be trending up this month, but not finding the consolidation over the week, with some steep declines back under $21,000 witnessed on the 27th of July when it retraced to $20,783 or thereabouts. It could have been the strong earnings results from Apple and Alphabet last week that propped up crypto, with a slight correlation being noticed between the tech stocks and the digital assets. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, has also had a bonza month, being up close to 50% based on today's prices. People who bought Ethereum when it reached the bear market lows of just under $1,000 mid-June, well, if they held on, they'd be seeing some gains. Makes me wonder, what would you ask the elusive pseudonymous inventor of the crypto, Satoshi Nakamoto? Would it be something about his identity or her gender? Or perhaps why he chose to cap the number of Bitcoin at 21 million? Or to clear up for us whether Bitcoin is inflationary or deflationary. When researching this myself, I found there was a matter of debate surrounding whether crypto Bitcoin itself was deflationary or inflationary. And in fact, it depended on which definition was used for inflation. Now, if the definition of inflation was in the terms of price, for example, that beer is now possibly going to cost $15 a pint at the pub, inflation is generally defined as the general increase in prices resulting in the fall of purchasing value of money. In this sense, Bitcoin comes out as deflationary because its purchasing power has increased over time. Hence the appeal for the digital currency in South American countries, where they are at risk of hyperinflation, with the purchasing power of their own currencies declining. Based on another definition of inflation, British Currency School definition of inflation being the supply of money unbacked by gold, this makes Bitcoin inflationary as Bitcoin's supply increases over time. And this data was based on a report prepared by German investment firm Incrementum. Now, Bitcoin is down by about 2% today, sitting at about $22,960 or thereabout, and Bitcoin is up close to 19.5% over the last 30 days. Over the last 7 days, it's up about 7.9%, and over the last 12 months, it's down about 42.3%, according to data from CoinGecko, current at about midday during the Asian mid-session. And Ethereum has been having a good month, as mentioned before, being up, and Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin, has been busy making appearances and speeches on the conference's front. He's in demand as crypto enthusiasts await the news of Ethereum's final merge to the less energy-intensive proof-of-stake mining consensus. He's been reported calling Bitcoin maximalist Michael Saylor a total clown. Now, if you don't know what a maximalist is, a Bitcoin maximalist believes in only Bitcoin, and no other crypto that they would invest in would be anywhere near as good as Bitcoin. So they only invest in Bitcoin and believe in Bitcoin's ethos. So Ethereum, who is founded by Vitalik Buterin, is now calling Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy CEO, a total clown, based on Michael Saylor calling Ethereum inherently unethical. This was reported by Forecast News. And with new moves for more interoperability between chains, could one crypto really remain supreme? Vitalik has also been voicing his opinion on Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse strategy, hitting Twitter on Sunday, saying that he doesn't think corporations who aim to construct the metaverse are highly likely to be successful. The concept of what the metaverse is still remains ambiguous to many. Is it a place you arrive at or a network of connections? What are the energy dynamics of the metaverse? Is it like in the Matrix film where the computers are using the humans for their energy? Or will the metaverse offer the users some real-world utility into a transcendence of mental conditioning, perhaps? The highly esoteric topic still seems to be in the realm of cyberpunk at the moment, with the sector being dominated by the abilities for augmented reality and virtual reality to gain more traction for the e-commerce industry instead of the highly nascent concept of the metaverse. Well, back to reality and Ethereum's price, which is still about 60% below its all-time high of about $4,870, pegged back in November 2021 on the 10th of November. So to really see some gains, Ethereum would need to be increasing significantly between 90 to 100% over its current price if you bought near the all-time high levels when the investor sentiment was confident. Now, the price of Ethereum today is down about 6.1% at $1,594.79 thereabouts. Over the last 30 days, it is up about 49.2%, and over the last 12 months, it is down 37.6%, according to CoinGecko. But like they say on Wall Street, good news can mean bad news, and bad news can mean good news. With the sinusoidal waves of the market persisting, peaks often lead to troughs, and in some cases, vice versa. But the questions on most crypto investors' lips would have to be, what's going to happen to the staked Ethereum once the final merge occurs? Will it be sold, having the potential to drop the price of Ethereum, or will the price rally? I wish I had a crystal ball to tell you. Also, all that money coming out of Mt. Gox that was lost for so long is due to be released. How is that going to impact the market this August? For now, we'll just have to wait and see till later this year when the date is announced for Ethereum's merge onto proof of stake, the less energy intensive mining consensus. Thanks for your company so far. Please stay with us. We're just going to take a short break, but more for you after this.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Welcome back after the break. Thanks for joining us. Sage here, you're watching the Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. So it could be said that bull runs have the potential to make millionaires and bear markets. Well, if you buy the right asset and hold it, there could be the chance for even bigger gains if you had the capital to back up your risky investments. Has the crypto market found its floor yet? Could there be any further sharp declines under the lowest lows already witnessed? Although most low-income crypto investors sold their holdings at the beginning of the bear run, the high-roller millennials were keen to stock up on the heavily discounted cryptos. So it could be argued that crypto is for the rich. An American business intelligence firm, Civic Science, carried out a survey on thousands of crypto investors, and however, those earning more than $150K per year and were financially stable, only 28% of them sold off some of their crypto, while a whopping 65% in the lower income bracket sold some or most of their crypto assets. It was reported by Crypto News. Now onto Ripple or XRP. Crypto had reportedly increased its selling of assets by 50%, with $408.9 million worth of XRP being sold in the second quarter, with its reported trading volume having declined quarter over quarter by 22% to $862 million. And this is down from $1.1 billion. It was reported by bizcrust.net. So the price of XRP is down today by 2.6%, being at around 0.3716. And over the last 30 days, it is up by 17.4%, and over the last 7 days, it is up by about 10.4%. However, over the last 12 months, it is down by about 48%, according to data from CoinGecko as well. Ripple has been in a long-running case with the SEC and pointed out to its investors that it has been steadily finding more use cases for the XRP ledger, which is already being utilised by many banks. However, in the short term, there is a chance for a retracement before any higher prices from XRP. News also from XRP, before we move on, is that it released 1 billion XRP tokens from 2 escrow wallets. Reportedly, the protocol locked up 55% of its total supply of XRP in escrows, and according to data provided by Bithomp's XRP Ledger Explorer, the total number of monthly new tokens that can be bought has been capped to 1 billion by the XRP management. So let's end the report now with some good news from the crypto sector. A report from Deloitte called Merchants Getting Ready for Crypto shows that 75% of retailers are planning to accept crypto or stablecoin payments over the next 2 years. Companies like FIS are helping hundreds of businesses make the move over to the Ethereum blockchain. I spoke to FIS spokesperson recently, Himal Makwana, SVP Product Strategy and New Initiatives. Please check out the full interview at Kalkine Media's YouTube channel when you can to find out more from his insights. Insights from Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao, also a major player in the field, said that there is plenty of money being stored in stablecoins during the downturn. And with the 3 of the top 10 cryptos being Tether USDT, a stablecoin, Circle USDC, another stablecoin, and Binance BUSD. The combined value of these three protocols is close to $138 billion. And CZ is of the thinking that if people wanted to exit completely out of crypto, they would not have stored their money in stablecoins. So around mid-June, the crypto market saw close to $400 billion drawn down, but the recent uptick has pushed the market cap back to about $1.17 trillion, being close to 33% above its bear cycle bottom, which was around the $875 billion mark. At present, 13% of the total crypto market is in stablecoins. Binance was one of the only exchanges to decrease its trading fees for Bitcoin in July, and it also copped a $3.4 million fine from Dutch authorities, just mentioning here. It was due to failing to comply by not registering as a crypto service provider. However, the protocol still remains upbeat. So thanks for joining us in this week's edition of Crypto Buzz, keeping you aware of the week in crypto. As always, this is only informational purposes and not financial advice in any way. Please keep watching for more live expert talks and market insights. Till the next episode, may the hodling continue. Sage signing off.